If you're using Audacity, keeping it updated is important for new features, bug fixes, and plugin support. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to update Audacity step by step without breaking your projects. Screen. First, open Audacity and check your current version. Go to Help, then About Audacity. This helps you confirm whether you're already on the latest release or need an update. Before updating, it's a good idea to back up your projects. Save your Audacity project files somewhere safe, like a separate folder or external drive. Just in case something goes wrong, you won't lose your work. Now close Audacity fully. Make sure it's not running in the background, because the installer won't update files properly if the program is still open. Next, go to the official Audacity website and download the latest version for your system. Make sure you pick the correct one for Windows or Mac, and usually the 64-bit version is the right choice. Once the file is downloaded, open the installer and follow the setup steps. It will automatically replace your old version with the newest one while keeping your settings and preferences in most cases. If your computer asks for permission, click Yes or Allow. This is normal when updating software, so don't worry. It's safe as long as you downloaded it from the official site. After installation, open Audacity again. Go back to Help, then About Audacity, and confirm that the version number has changed to the latest release. Finally, check your plugins and settings. Most updates keep everything intact, but if something is missing, go to Plugin Manager and rescan your effects. And that's it, you've successfully updated Audacity. Keeping it updated means better performance, fewer bugs, and smoother recording and editing overall.